The esteemed Maha Emirates Awards 2023 event unfolded in the heart of Dubai, presenting a grand showcase of achievements in the real estate sector. This spectacular evening celebrated the remarkable talents, innovations, and unwavering dedication within the industry. The event commenced with the compelling speeches by industry leaders Mr. Hanif Sheikh, Chairman and founder of Emirates Holding Group, and Ms. Yogita Giletkar, Chairperson and Managing Director of Maha Empire Properties. The event was graced by esteemed chief guests and guests of honor, including Ghayur Ahmad Khan, Yaqub Al Ali, Bu Abdullah, and Dr. Muhammad Saeed Al Kindi, adding to the prestige of the evening. Mr. Prasad Jagtap from Prasad Jagtap Group of Companies, Mr. Uttam, Mr. Praveen, Mr. Sanjay from Vastu Builders and Developers, Mr. Nilesh Patel from Krikon Group, Mr. Bhupesh Nikam from Bhumi Enterprises, Mr. Vishal Dev from Maha Group, Mr. Akshay Pansare from Shri Builders and Developers, Mr. Satish, Mr. Hasmukh, and many more, all recognized for their exceptional contributions. The evening was enhanced with glamorous fashion shows by renowned designers Preetam Nayak, Old Story by Shilpa and Sanju, Nina Fashion, Style by Ali, and Royal Vogue by Ramul Haq. Backstage was handled by Talent Hub, makeup by Manni Arora, and MC was Leena.
Super. We enjoy a lot. It was having the dignity and it was having the hospitality also with that one. We are very thankful for inviting us in this event and we enjoy a lot. Thank you very much, Yogita. Thank you, Hanif Bhai. Thank you to Maha Emirates.
Thank you. Mr. Khan, he is the general manager for Danube Group. He is the second man to Rizwan Sajan. And without his presence, this event would not happen.
No, we really appreciate Rizwan Bhai, and I have been instructed to get it attended. It is the love and the affection with Hanif Bhai and Yogita.
Thank you.
That Rizwan Bhai has given all the good wishes to all of you.
Alhamdulillah. Rizwan Sajan, he is the man with a golden heart. We really appreciate and always thank. And Alhamdulillah. And people like Mr. Khan, they are the backbone of Danubian. We really appreciate your presence, sir. And Alhamdulillah, Maha Emirates, and it's an amalgamation of Maha Empire and Emirates Holding Group. So that's why it is called Maha Emirates. And very specific targeted to real estate industry. We are here, we have created this platform and bridging the gap between India and UAE. There are many projects we are taking from UAE to India, and there are many projects we are bringing from India to UAE. And all the details and the projects, slowly we will release also, it will come into the media also. Today, it was a day for awarding and facilitating all the people who have got the excellence in real estate industry. So it was an excellence and eminence awards, Maha Emirates in reality industry. And this is the lady behind all the work. She have done and she have brought all the big developers and investors from India to this country. So soon, like under the guidance of all the leaders of UAE, they have created all the business opportunities in UAE, and soon all our investors, they are going to come and invest in UAE. Inshallah. Yeah. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
It was very nice. First of all, this is Yaqub Al Ali from Dubai. It was the show was very nice, fashion show, and it was awards. I know this company came from India for properties company. They came from India to do the fashion show in Dubai, so which is very good for Dubai and for India, for the people who they know their project and these things. But I wish them all the best, and inshallah they will sell more and more in India. All the best. Thank you.
हाँ इमिरेट्स अवार्ड, इसका थीम ही था कनेक्टिंग द डॉट्स। मुझे कनेक्ट करना था क्योंकि दुबई इंडिया से लोकली कनेक्टेड है, इंटरनेशनल है बट लोकली कनेक्टेड है। सो मैं ये चीज़ को एक बार कनेक्ट करना चाहती थी जिससे बिजनेस जनरेट हो। लोगों के कनेक्शन बने, एक दूसरे से इंटरेक्शन हो, और वो चीज़ मैं देख रही हूँ अभी सक्सेसफुल हो रही है। 2-3 कंपनियों के साथ में अपना कोलैबोरेशन हुआ है न्यूली महा एमिरेट्स अवार्ड में। सो आई एम थैंकफुल, और यहाँ से मुझे इतना सपोर्ट मिला है, आई कांट एक्सप्लेन। इवन मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मेरा फर्स्ट इवेंट दुबई में होगा और इस टाइप से होगा। थैंक्स अ लॉट, थैंक यू सो मच, आपका सपोर्ट है।